Oh. Yeah, quarantine hasn't been good to me either. Came out here because I wanted some fresh air. But also I wanted to take you guys to one of my favorite places in New Jersey. Welcome to Hemlock Falls. I wanted to talk to you guys today about getting it done versus getting it perfect. A lot of times as photographers or videographers or whoever you are, we'll get stuck into wanting everything to be perfect or just right way before we actually start the project. A lot of the times that'll keep us from actually doing anything that's for the project, and it'll never get done. I could have waited until I had an ND filter for light and I had this and I had that. But I just came out here with my camera and a microphone and wanted to record a quick video for you guys. So if you are a photographer or a videographer, or if you're in the creative field whatsoever, and you're waiting for this package or this piece of equipment or whatever it is, don't do it. Find a way to do the thing that you want to do and just do it. Can you hear that bird? Can you hear that bird? I don't know. So no matter what it is that you're trying to do, as long as you start, you'll be fine. Now I'm gonna get out of here because I gotta go back in the house and quarantine. I gotta put my mask back on, and I don't wanna be out too long. So yeah, pick up your camera, keep on clicking. I'll see you guys later. Bye.